I'm Lynette, and today I'm just going to give a little bit more context on how batteries are developed and some trends that we have seen over time. So if we want to talk about a lithium-ion battery, it was first developed on a lab scale basis in terms of at a research lab in 1976. So they won a Nobel Prize for that last year. So that was pretty exciting. But it took another 10 years or so before we get the first patent for a prototype for a commercial battery. And it was only finally commercialized in 1991 by Sony. So then over the next 20 years or so, lithium-ion batteries are just mostly used in small handheld devices like your tablets, phones, laptops, and only started moving to larger scale applications like your cars in maybe the last 10 years or so. And this is mostly driven down by the cost of batteries. So Emma talked about how the metric for cost is in dollars per kilowatt hour. And you can see here on the graph that the cost, which is the left vertical axis, has been dropping. And it is driven by an increase in the battery's energy density, which Emma has also talked about. So again, I reiterate, it's energy per volume in this case, so per liter. And basically the higher this number is, the smaller batteries we can get. So over the last 10 years or so, we have seen a lot of improvements in technology of lithium-ion batteries specifically, and also more optimization, which really has driven the cost down and enabled electric vehicles to take off. So I guess the summary here is that development of a new technology really takes a long time. And this will bring me to my next slide, where we're trying to look at some trends in battery chemistries in the past and what the